try to film this every time, and in one of the ads in this, it keeps canceling the video. Risky! I did it. What? I'm gonna quit this dude. Haven't wear them in a while. Wee. Well, I have to go from here. Talking monks. Talkings. Mommy! Banana. Dog got me a banana. Alright. Guys, when are you guys gonna even do 500K for my dog's reveal? Like, he's so cute. He's just too cute. Woo! Do not God. Okay, you know what? Let's just not do this points thing. Let's not give ourselves points. I'm just gonna do the video. This is gonna be a long one. I'm gonna quit my... I died. Oh, never mind. It was one of those prank levels. But if you guys want me, tell me in the comments if you want me to do this level. But without that green thing. So, okay, I'll just do this. I'll use this one. Actually, the other one. Yes!
This soothing app can effectively help you to de-stress, offering an array of calming ASMR sounds and visual triggers that induce relaxation and a pleasant tingling sensation
Guys,
as you engage
if you
with
just
them. Go try it now.
Please subscribe and hit 500K subs. I will literally just show my dog. He is too cute to not be shown. Just subscribe. Just sub for my dog's face reveal. He's just cute. If you don't, I'm just gonna do the face reveal right now. In the next video. I mean, if you don't subscribe to this video.
I bet you don't know the name of this app, because no one wants to
Not
share.
this fake dumb ad. I rated it 1 star because I had to pay for it. And I didn't even pay it, I just gave it 1 star. Laser sword. Gotcha. Just beans. It's just beans. I can't feel any beans. It's just beans. Turn 8 fire. Bro, this is cursed. Bro, this is cursed, bro. What? This is cursed. Like, it's actually cursed. I'm gonna download it for, like, the next video. Okay, now I'm just gonna get out. Ah! Oh, there. I was about to cut the video. On my mission to kill this enemy. Well, I just killed him. Wee. Ah! Why do YouTubers call themselves dumb? Guys, who's smarter, me or you? You guys are smarter than me. You're a genius, I'm smart. I'm smart and you're even smart because you're a genius. Guys, tell me some genius ideas to beat this game. With only this character, the beginning character. If you have played this game, comment. If you haven't, like the video. If you've played this and then deleted it, subscribe. Oh, stair level. It's just he just cut off my foot. Stair fall. Oh, I know this level. I remember doing these levels. Am I at level 100? I'm almost at level 100. Guys, do you want me to react to If you want me to react to animations, subscribe and comment instead of just subscribe and comment. Instead of just comment or just subscribe. If you want to. But if you don't want to subscribe, you can just comment You can comment Haminations, and then I'll watch Haminations for the very first time in the next video. What? Wait, is there infinite levels? Bro, get me out. I'm a sitting duck right now. I'm a sitting duck. Get me out. Guys, previously someone commented on every single one of my videos, so almost every single video. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give them a shout out. I'm gonna give them a shout out. Yeah, I'm giving them a shout out. So see you in the next video.